variables and data types. In Python, variables are used to store data. You can assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator, equals. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans, and lists. For example, you can declare an integer variable like this: x equals 5 inches. To check the data type of a variable, you can use the type function. Control flow statements. Control flow statements in Python allow you to control the execution of your program. The if statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of elements. The while loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. These control flow statements are essential for writing efficient and logical programs. Functions and modules. Functions in Python allow you to group a set of statements together and reuse them whenever needed. You can define your own functions using the def keyword. Modules in Python are files that contain Python code, which can be imported and used in other programs. Python provides a wide range of built-in functions and modules that you can use to enhance your programs. File handling. Python provides various functions and methods for file handling. You can open a file using the open function and specify the file mode, read, write, append, etc. After opening a file, you can perform operations such as reading from the file, writing to the file, or appending to the file. It is important to close the file using the close method to free up system resources. Exception handling. Exception handling in Python allows you to handle errors and exceptions that may occur during the execution of your program. You can use the try except block to catch and handle specific exceptions. The try block contains the code that may raise an exception, and the except block contains the code to handle the exception. This helps in making your program more robust and prevents it from crashing. Object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented programming, OOP, which allows you to create classes and objects. A class is a blueprint for creating objects, and an object is an instance of a class. OOP helps in organizing and structuring your code, making it more modular and reusable. It also provides concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation.